Oh my god! Look at the retard!
I hate being in this cartoon. It's the worst cartoon in the whole world, and I really, really hate it. Wow, it's a triangle.
Whoa, look at that, man. That's so cool.
This is stupid. I can't think of anything to say.
I'm a retard and I'm looking at stupid pictures.
Hey, this wall doesn't move. Hey, this wall doesn't move. Someone help me.
Oh my god. Quick, answer him.
Like, wow, man, there's a hole in the floor. Whoa, eyeballs. Hey, it's laid out now.
Whoa.
Dun-dun, 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 dun-dun.
Hi, I'm a retard and these are my two anal pirates.
You stupid fuckers. Don't fall now. Wow, lots of stairs.
Hey, I'm upside down. Somebody help me. Help.
What are you doing up there, you dumb fuck? Whoops.
I'm stuck. I can't get down. Ah!
Help, I've fallen and I can't get up. Duh.
Oh, I'm an airhead. Shut up, Andy. I never pick on you.
Oh yeah, I forgot we Oh wait, wasn't that just physical abuse?
No.
It was mental too.
Hey,
Boom, 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 boom. Oh no, I didn't.
Hey.
Boom, boom. Let's back it up. How come this is like going off and on?
Wow, look at this. Check it out. Check it out, buddies. Oh my god, it's a mummy.
The Disney afternoon with the dumbest cartoon in the world.
Whoa. Coming up.
Watch out for that flying burger, man. Fries, burger, drink. Oh, like.
Can you make that too? This commercial's so stupid.
Remember we shook it.
I was just putting it back up there. I'm low on my cocoa meter. This'll help you. Hello. Wow, I'm Fred. Hey, Barney. Whoa, psychedelic dude. Kool-Aid. I'm a fat crap and I love the Kool-Aid. Ew, it's... What?